I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country, helping to manage and change difficult classroom behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. What are your feelings about trying to keep 80 elementary schoolers silent in the lunch line and at certain times during their lunch? Our cafeteria is so loud. Cafeterias are loud, but here's the thing. They're gonna be loud. They're big, open places, often with high ceilings and, hard floors, and there's chairs moving and kids moving and noises from the kitchen. And that's just what a cafeteria is. So there's some coping skills to learn how to manage yourself in the cafeteria. So I wanna make sure that I help kids with that. I like to ease them in. I'm not a huge fan of having kindergartners eat in the cafeteria when they first start school. I really think they should eat in their classrooms, learn how to eat in a group, and then we gradually get them into the cafeteria. That's one thing. But the other is it realistic for them to be quiet? No, it's not. Why in the world are we lining up 80 kids in a cafeteria and telling them that they have to be absolutely silent before they go out to recess? Let them out. Just let them out. It's okay. I know it's a change. It's a change from what we've been doing for years. It's a change, but be realistic. They can't be silent in lunch. You can go ahead and kind of dial it down a little bit here and there if you want to, if they're getting too loud. We've had some schools that do something like mindful minute. So as soon as everybody's done, they dial the lights down, a little music comes in, teachers give them a nice little signal. Kids do kind of a mindful minute, if you will, or time to settle down. And then they all get up and transition to recess or classes, wherever they're going. Those things are fine. But the expectation that they're going to be quiet is really unrealistic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.